Good afternoon, Ryker fans, rykerryderz. We're back on the trailer, as you can see. And guess what? I'm gonna install a solar panel. See everything, Ryker fans? Oh yeah, you can see it perfectly. There you go. Get to work. I got her in place. See how it looks? Now I got 4 brackets now. Under those brackets, I'm gonna put this. It's tape, so it seals it to the roof and it prevents leak. And then I'm gonna lap seal it. All right, so let's get to work. So this is regular metal screws, wood screws. So you can see. And they just go right through this tape. See, that tape is coming through. And I'm just gonna screw those in. Alright, here's where these plug in. Pretty self-explanatory. Positive goes to positive, negative goes to negative. Oh, these are right here, Ryker fans. There you go. So this one goes into this one. Bam. And then this one goes into this one. rykerryderz is back. I wanted to show you fans what it looks like. All the lap seal is done. You can see I just sealed the whole thing. There and there. Don't have to look pretty. It just needs to prevent. And I'm gonna try to see if I can fix this. Ryker forgot.